History, French Revolution. Now we will discuss about the topic slavery. Slavery that was a profitable business for the Europeans. At that time, Europeans they carried a large number of people as the slaves from those countries where they controlled because they wanted slaves to work in their plantation fields. Slave trade started in 17th century. At that time, there was triangular slave trade. Triangular means between the three countries, such as triangular slave trade existed between Europe, Africa, and America. French sailed the slaves from the ports of Bordeaux and Nantes to Africa. Slaves they were tightly packed into the ship and near about after the 3-month journey they were reached to the Caribbean. They were sold to the plantation owners. But slavery was criticized during the 18th century. The National Assembly also held long debates against the slavery, but National Assembly didn't pass any law against slavery. At that time, they have the fear of opposition from the businessmen because the businessmen they were earning the income from the slave trade. It means at that time National Assembly didn't dare to pass any law against the slavery because they have a fear in their mind they were opposed by the businessmen. After a long debates in 1794 convention ordered to free all the slaves. So once in 1794 slavery was abolished. But Napoleon ruled over the country in 1804. After the rule of the Napoleon, slavery was reintroduced. But slavery finally abolished in France in 1848. Now we will study about the rule of Napoleon Bonaparte. Earlier we studied about the rule of Louis XVI. After this rule of Maximilien Robespierre. After that Directory rule. And after that Napoleon Bonaparte ruled over the country. So Napoleon Bonaparte ruled over the country in 1804. He became the Emperor of France in 1804 and he made the policy to conquer the neighboring European countries. Many people saw the Napoleon as the liberator who would bring freedom for all the people. But Napoleon was defeated at the place of Waterloo in 1815. Britishers defeated the Napoleon in 1815. So many people saw the Napoleon as the modernizer of Europe also because during the time period when he ruled over France, he introduced so many good laws such as protection of private property, uniform system of weight and measurement, same type of currency was also introduced by the Napoleon. So many of the Napoleon's revolutionary idea of liberty and modern laws made a good impact in European countries. Many European countries, or near about all the European countries, followed the laws made by Napoleon. So, idea of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. Earlier also we discussed main objective of French Revolution were liberty, equality and fraternity. Fraternity means feeling of brotherhood. So we can say in France as the French Revolution completely ended that saw a good impact on the world. Whole world got the idea of liberty, equality and brotherhood feeling from France. And these ideas spread not only in France, in European countries, we can say in most of the countries of world, these ideas spread. Even India also got the idea of liberty, equality and fraternity from France. And many people of India, they influenced by the idea of France, such as Tipu Sultan and Ram Mohan Rai, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. They were influenced by the ideas of revolutionary France.